Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let us praise and thank the presence of God Almighty for the abundance of grace and the joy to all of us so we can gather in this online place without any barriers at all and in good health. On this occasion, allow me here to deliver a presentation for our New Year's research titled Business Intelligence System Using Simple Moving Average Method Case Study Sales of Fitness Equipment at PT Semangat Sejahtera Bersama. This is collaborative research between me, Madi Hadidia Prameswari, as a first author, Mr. Eka Prakarsamandiarta, and Mrs. Henny Endah Wahdani from Informatics Department UPN Veteran Jawa Timur, with Mr. Muhammad Kusyairi from Estimix Tikom Indonesia in Bali. Let me start this presentation. Optimal sales results in a company cannot be separated from the utilization of information systems to manage the data growth. Many companies have not used the assistance of information systems to support data forecasting for supporting corporate strategic decision making. Here is the example of sales data stored in PT Semangat Sejahtera Bersama database. The system produces a variety of information in the form of tables, both sales, goods, marketing, showrooms, customers. But this form makes it difficult to make a decision because the data is still mixed and only consists of a collection of numbers, so that sometimes confuse. The decision-making process requires a relatively long time. Besides, there are three major problems in PT Semangat Sejahtera Bersama cause of the absence of an online system that can perform data management on irregular data. First, unstructured data form that used in database makes the data is difficult to understand. This causes the next step, that is analyze data processing, is difficult to be done. The second problem is sometimes because of difficulties in understanding data makes the manager of the company needs the expert to perform data analysis. As a result, the company must incur additional costs. The last problem is the difficulties in decision making. The warehouse owned by the brands is not as big as the warehouse in the center. Therefore, managers must forecast the stock of goods in the warehouse to meet customer needs. Incorrect forecasting will certainly reduce company turnover and customer satisfaction. The need for companies to be able to make decisions quickly and precisely can actually be overcome by business intelligence. BI is a concept that uses a variety of methods and technologies so that a business intelligence system can generally cover a broad field ranging from processes, software, and manufacturing techniques, starting from data collection, integrating, analysis, to presenting this data into information that is useful for users. BI is a technology that is often used nowadays. This is because it provides businesses with the possibility to analyze their business practices and improve them. By using a business intelligence application, it is expected to be able to see and make decisions quickly based on reports produced in a consistent and accurate manner, especially in analyzing and providing data access to help make better decisions. Based on the problem, PT Semangat Sejahtera Bersama requires the application of business intelligence because companies that implement business intelligence have advantages over competitors who do not implement business intelligence. Business intelligence that will be built based on the web so that the access process is easier to do, and the method is use simple moving average where the method can work to produce sale predictions of items sold. This is done by calculating the average value of the average sales value of the average sales in a certain previous sale period so that it can display the sales trend that occur. By build a BI system that is able to make recommendation for the number and types of goods that will be must be stocked in the warehouse. It is hoped that the movement of goods in the warehouse will be fast, which has an impact on increasing turnover and customer satisfaction. The general description of the system built in the study through four stages. The first stage is the source of the data to be processed is in .xlsx extension. The data that used is valid sales data for last 6 months of PT SSP. The data is processed using Pentaho to perform the cleaning and the integration processes. The second stage is the data that has been cleaned will be integrated with the database that has been created. The process that describes the process of inputting data source to the database. The next stage is data that has been integrated will be entered into database. And the last step is dashboard and processing data in database with PHP programming language and using the simple moving average method to analyze sales data in accordance with existing data. The proposed system is then implemented using the PHP language programming. The figure in the left is the dashboard page interface, where on this page displays information about the number of items, number of showrooms, number of marketings, number of customers, which for all boxes with content already integrated with the page that are available to display the report in detail. And the figure in the right shows the sales report page will display overall sales marketing, customers, showrooms, and goods. User can choose to see the data for each period or years and the details. It can be done by selecting the details for of each month. Finally, on the forecasting page, we'll show forecasting for the next month, both in goods, marketing, showrooms, so that they are able to maximize the inventory of goods in the future. For the method, we use the simple moving average method. The result of building a business intelligence system at PT Semangat Sejahtera Bersama based on the web is a system capable of displaying data item, showrooms, marketings, sales trends as well as for forecasting so that it can help managers in the decision-making process assisted with accurate data and sales forecasting with the simple moving average method. Okay, that's all of my presentation. Before I end this presentation, I apologize if there are deficiencies in my presentation. Hopefully, we can meet again next year in the same event. Thank you and good morning.